Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the Photos app. Pick the image you need and tap to open it. Once open, tap and hold the image or tap the share icon, then choose Copy. This puts the photo into the clipboard so you can move it anywhere. Make sure the app you plan to paste into is already open or easily reachable. Some apps handle pasted images differently. If you need multiple images, select them first in the album view before copying to speed the workflow. Now go to the app where you want the photo, Messages, Notes, Mail, or a social app, and open the Compose area. Tap and hold at the insertion point until the contextual menu appears, then tap Paste. The image should appear inline or as an attachment. Once done, adjust size or alignment if the app supports it. If paste is missing, make sure the app accepts images. Alternatively, use Share from Photos again, or use drag and drop on iPad or iPhone with a connected cursor for multi-image placement. Complete the task by saving or sending your message, note, or email after the image appears. If the paste doesn't work, don't panic. Go back to Photos and copy the image again, then retry. Make sure you didn't copy text instead. If problems persist, force close and reopen the destination app or reboot the device. As a reliable fallback, save image to Files or Photos and attach the file manually from the destination app's Attach or Insert menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.